From people creating the ultimate product with their hands to the use of full automation to create well-made products. The brilliant development of mankind has been illuminated by industrial iterations. Today, through continuous innovation, RUKING intelligent technology opens up new possibilities for automated production methods in various fields. Helping countless customers to reach a new level and step into a brighter future. We have integrated talent and advantageous resources in the industry and have now achieved autonomy in the whole production chain, like 100% self-made equipment parts.
Our software system and control system are all independently developed. When customers use our machine, the safety and stability are more guaranteed. At the same time, benefit for this intelligence after-sales meetings is also more effective.
Multi-touch adjustable keel for all kinds of flexible material cutting needs. RUK fully implements ISO 9001 system management requirements and has obtained a number of domestic and international certifications, as well as more than 100 kinds of patents for various types of soft documents. Our equipment and intelligence systems are better suited to flexible production, helping customers seize the high ground of customized demand. We have a high-precision 5-axis CNC MES digital precision factory and German SAP MES Information Production Management System. When you enter RUK, what you see is quality and service that exceeds expectations, a stable supply chain, and an efficient team with close collaboration. What RUK delivers to our customers is not only automation equipment to improve quality and efficiency, but also a complete set of value systems. We provide a full range of services to meet the needs of specific groups and based on point-to-point iterations of specialized technologies to meet the current needs of our customers, while advancing and optimizing the entire innovative solution. We plan our technology path well in advance in order to be more competitive in the market. Through R&D and optimization of production processes, RUK offers customers more opportunities to discover and break through to data and traceable indicators, and to always improve ourselves. This is what we have learned from successfully serving many of our customers. Creation never stops. RUK opens the door to automation for you.